So our first step today is to make sure that you add your interfacing. These are the pieces you will have cut out, one in particular, either the 1 or the 8, depending on the project that you're doing. So 8 is a different one. We've done 1 and the collar. So you need to have these opposite. You cannot cut them out exactly the same. One has to be upside down. Make sure that you have looked at that when you look at your interfacing cut out. So cut those out, trim them. Remember, we trim the interfacing. Make sure that you trim it 1/4 of an inch less than the edges, and then adhere it with the iron. Make sure the iron is warm enough but not too hot. After you have applied the 2 pieces of interfacing, 1 to each front and to the entire 1 layer of your collar, only 1 layer, not both, then you're going to clean finish. You're going to finish this edge right here. And if you remember, clean finish means to turn under 1/4 of an inch, press it, and stitch it. It is this edge on the front of your shirt. Pardon me. All down there. Do it on both the right and the left. When you have completed that, then you may stitch your darts in the back. It says versions A, B, C, and D. We are making D. The pattern piece did not have it marked on there, but make sure that you do mark it. Transfer those marks. When you are done with that, you've made great strides today. I would rearrange, look, and see, and make sure everything's nice and clean. The last thing it tells you to do on this instruction, though, is to press toward the center, so you're going to press it. I'd use a ham underneath there to make sure it comes out nice and even. If you're speeding along, you can get started on Thursday's lesson, which is working on the shoulder seams. But if not, you're good. All right, good job.